Hello, YouTube. This is Nissan NV1500 1500. Okay, in 2015. I just did the brake like a couple days ago, and I know that the rotor is bad. So today is going to be changing the rotor. Okay. So on the procedure to do a rotor, a little bit different. But according to this right here, I just put a new brake and I don't have to replace the brake. So I'm going to do a little bit different than when you replace the rotor and you replace a new brake. Normally case you will replace rotor, you have to replace the brake at the same time, because if you don't do that, the brake that worn will destroy your rotor. Okay. So on this case, because I just replaced the brake maybe a day or two ago, so now when I do the rotor, it will be different because I don't have to take the brake pads out. You pry to get open, okay? So when you slide the brake caliper back into it, will be easy, okay? The procedure on this right here, you have only two bolts in the back here. I'm going to turn a little bit on this side so you can see. Okay, see right here, and the one up here, only two. And the socket is number 24. Slide out and hang it. It's right here. Oh. See how bad it is? Brand new car. It's bad. Alright, put new ones in. Alright, I need to get a cleaning. Brake cleaning. Okay. Alright, wipe this off. Same thing this side. Spray some more cleaning. That's good enough. So I'm going to put the brake caliper back in. Okay, now I'm going to use impact faster. Okay, make sure it's tight enough. Tight. All right.